Computer network. According with Wikipedia, a computer network is a set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. The computers use common communication protocols over digital interconnections to communicate with each other. These interconnections are made up of telecommunication network technologies, based on physically wired, optical, and wireless radio frequency methods that may be arranged in a variety of network topologies. The nodes of a computer network may include personal computers, servers, networking hardware, or other specialized or general-purpose hosts. They are identified by network addresses and may have host names. Host names serve as memorable labels for the nodes, rarely changed after initial assignment. Network addresses serve for locating and identifying the nodes by communication protocols such as the Internet Protocol. For example, check this image. The first thing you notice is an ISP internet service provider, then you see a router modem. Typically, what happens is that an ISP will provide to your home a public IP internet protocol address, so you are able to communicate with the rest of the world and arrange groups of private IP address that your technology's devices are able to communicate. If you look carefully at the image, you are going to notice that all the devices have a set of number that keep repeating, like 192.168.0, and the last number keeps changing. What is even more interesting is that if you ask your neighbor, they will have the same set of numbers and they are able to communicate with no problem. Have you ever wondered how is this possible? Well, it is possible because you are using a router modem that translates your private IP address to your public IP address. This is why everyone only have one unique public IP address to communicate over the internet. If you want to see what is your public IP address, just visit Google.com and type in the search bar, "What is my IP address?" and you will see what you have. I will recommend not to share that with anyone. Computer networks may be classified by many criteria, including the transmission medium used to carry signals, bandwidth, communications protocols to organize network traffic, the network size, the topology, traffic control mechanism, and organizational intent. Computer networks support many applications and services, such as access to the World Wide Web, digital video, digital audio, shared use of application and storage servers, printers, and fax machines, and use of email and instant messaging applications.